Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is a Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish in off-white. Let's open it up by using a penknife to cut apart the packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And let's open up the box flaps. And lifting out that card insert and taking a look directly in the box packaging. So this is the Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish in off-white, and that is the lid. And let's continue to remove the sandwich layer of the card insert in here, and I'm just struggling a little to pick it out from the cardboard box. And let's tip the base of the dish out, and now the box is emptied. We can set that to the side and setting the dish on the tabletop. Now I'm going to place the lid on the dish, and right there giving you a nice complete view of the Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish in off-white. And I'm just going to give you different angles and perspectives of this stoneware butter dish. And just keeping my fingers out of the way as well, just letting it sit nicely on the tabletop, giving you a nice full clean view of the butter dish. Now let's take a close-up look. So there is a noticeable heft to the butter dish, and you can see that it does have a nice glossy enamel finish on its stoneware. And you can hear that clinking noise from the wobbling of the lid on the dish base, and giving you a look on the underside of the dish. You can see the Le Creuset branding right there, and it doesn't have any treatments on the flattest part of the dish base, and that color is beige right there. And of course the rest of the butter dish is in off-white. You can see that lovely off-white color, and the butter dish does have a loop handle on its lid right there. So I'm just going to give you a quick look at the lid with its loop handle, and taking a look on the underside as well. You can see that on the main inner well of the lid hood, there is that same beige color. However, it is gloss glazed, as you can see, that nice glossy finish to keep it all nice and hygienic right there. And okay, I'm going to reset the lid back on the dish base and giving you a look right there, top down. And of course, quite importantly, just resting the dish in my palm right there, giving you some sense of the size and perspective of this Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish in white, or off-white to be exact. And let's see if we can turn that lid around to eliminate any wobbling. And there we go, we've minimized the wobbling right there of the between the lid and the base. But nonetheless, I think that wobbling noise does provide a good amount of charm and appeal to this lovely, nicely formed kind of Art Deco like minimalist butter dish. So it does have a very, very sturdy construction, very, very solid and chunky, both the base and the lid of this butter dish. Okay, so I'm just going to set the base or the dish on the right hand side of the frame, and then we can take a nice detailed look at the lid itself. So you can see right there, giving you a top-down look of this lid of the butter dish, and you can see just how nicely formed that stepped construction is of the lid right there, and the Le Creuset branding as well. And you can see that the lip, there is a lip that extends downward on the dish to keep it secure and stable on its base, minimizing any kind of accidents or mishaps. So the lid does lock in place on the base of the dish right there. So no accidental knocking off. Stays nice and stable right there. Okay, now we can take a look at the base itself. So giving you a look. So you can see that similarly finished, glossy, kind of beige coloring on the surface of the dish. And of course the edges right there with the off-white color right around, and that stepped pattern right there or design. And of course back down again is that untreated underside of the stoneware butter dish. It's right there giving you a nice good look. Okay, so there's only just one thing left to do right now, and just to give you a look in terms of the fitment of a block of supermarket butter here. So standard 250 gram block of butter, which you can get in most good supermarkets. This is the Sainsburys So Organic Unsalted butter. So right here is a 250 gram block. Okay, so let's set the block down in the middle of the dish, and then giving you a nice good look right there in terms of the size and fitment of this complete block of butter. So plenty of space around the sides, as you can see. So enough space to give you that freedom to slice up your butter and get it ready for the next serving as well. Of course, having that upper or recessed design does keep the butter in place and not slide off from the dish. So right there, nice good look at the Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish and the fitment of a standard 250 gram block of butter right in the middle. Actually, one thing I forgot to do was to put the lid on there just to show that the butter is nice and safe and undamaged. So plenty of space right there to cover a block of butter very safely. So once again, giving you a nice idea of the size and kind of durability and robustness of this Le Creuset Stoneware butter dish, which is thermal resistant. So it is oven, microwave, dishwasher, and of course fridge and freezer safe as well. Just giving you an idea of the stoneware base as well. So nice and chunky. So that's the Creuset Stoneware butter dish in off-white. Thanks for watching and happy storing!